La 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 dee dee dee.
Let's press the button.
Hehehehe. Emeka, I have an idea.
Okay.
Bang 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 bang. Wait Emeka, I guess. Hehehe. Oh no, what happening?
I think the elevator is stuck.
Help us, we're stuck in the elevator. Why daddy help me.
Wah, Daddy help us, we are stuck in the elevator.
Daddy won't press the buttons.
Bino Emeka.
Daddy.
Daddy.
We are sorry, we won't press the buttons of the plaza elevator. Daddy Bino.
See, I told you not to press the A Plaza elevator. You will get dark in the elevator.
I'm sorry, I won't press the buttons, I will cancel the buttons.
Good, now let's now go to exit.
When they exit in a plaza.
Bino Emeka, you are grounded. I'm so sorry.
Daddy, I'm so sorry.
See, Bino Emeka, you can't press all the buttons of the A Plaza elevator.
Sorry that.